Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man down here at Rowdy's Wash in Wellsburg, West Virginia. Yeah, we're washing Joe again. But we are going to do something here special today. Not only are we going to wash Joe, but there's enough in there. But my plans are to install what's in this here plastic bag. We'll get to see that soon enough. Let me get this thing washed, and then we're going to head up to an undisclosed location here in Wellsburg and get this thing up on a lift and see if we can get that thing that's in that plastic bag installed. What do you think? Yeah, let's do this. Hey, what's up, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man out here in an undisclosed location. We got Joe, we got the plastic bag, and I got a couple tools in my hand. Let's see if I can get this thing changed. All right, we are halfway through. I have the old lip off. Now I just have to get the what I think are crash protector bars. I don't know what they are. You can see them here. They're not air dams because they don't hang down below the plastic piece. So I imagine they're in case you come up behind somebody, it stops you from going way up over top of them. I have verified that it is the correct lip this time. And as you can see, it is nothing more than a cover for the bolts on the bottom of that bumper. I'm sure the original is there for aerodynamics so that you get a little better fuel mileage, but this is most definitely going to make the front of that truck look a whole lot higher than it was with it on there. The new one did not come with new clips, so you got to remove the clips off of your old dam and put them on the new one. The three in the center don't get clips, they actually bolt right up to the bumper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clips have to be swapped from the old to the new. All right, I'm gonna get those air dams off of there, or those, I don't know what they are. Get those off of there and then get this bolted on there. The bolts that hold it up in there are 8mm. Just using an 8mm 1/4 inch drive socket and ratchet there, so pretty simple. And the thunder rolls. Got to get this done before it rains. So these are just simply bolted to the frame. 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on that side. So we'll go ahead and get them off. And underside look of Joe. I was going to put it on the lift, but I figured I could get this done a lot faster and without screwing around putting it on the lift. All right, everybody, so here we are laying underneath the Joe. The lip is installed, and as you can see here behind me or above me or whichever way, I don't know exactly what it looks like, but it's tiny. I haven't seen it yet. I have not crawled out from under the truck yet. I wanted to show you guys what was going on under here before we did that. Driver's side. Nothing to it really, just a bunch of 8mm bolts. And then the bolts that held those goofy brackets on were 18mm. Pop those right off of there. And now we'll give you the big reveal. All right, what does it look like? Well, does it look any better? They just give my truck a 3-inch lift kit. It definitely looks better. Most definitely. All right, so remember, there's the original lip, and that's the tremor lip, or fascia, or air dam, or whatever you want to call it. Regular, tremor, $103 from the dealership. Best $103 you can spend on a 2003 F-250 Super Duty, in my opinion. Totally changes the look of the truck. Yes, sir. Makes it look good. And for those of you who I'm sure are going to want to know the part number for that tremor lip, it's a PC as in Papa Charlie 3 Zulu 17626 Charlie Alpha. I ordered this roughly around the end of March, and I got it in the beginning of July. So there aren't many people out there that have done this yet. Here's what I paid for it. It looks like $104.46 with tax. Again, it's a Papa Charlie 3 Zulu 17626 Charlie Alpha. List for $115. I got it for $98.55. Thanks to my local Washington Ford dealer. Hey, over here, Jack. Jack. Up here, look at the people. Hey guys, got the old Mongo Man and Jack out here on the front porch, and we just wanted to let you know that Sis has been busy and has put together some really nice hats. Currently wearing one of those hats. This is our July 4th edition. It will be a limited edition Mongo's Garage hat. These are Richardson's trucker snapbacks. Really nice hats, fully embroidered. The 4th of July one is red, white, and blue. And there is one more. The all white. So, if you would like to get yourself a new hat, you can visit the website there. I believe it's somewhere on the page. There is a link to our website with a merch page. Or you can hit me up in the comments down below. Let me know you want a hat, and we'll get things processed. We are asking $22 a piece, which is a really good deal for a fully embroidered Richardson snapback trucker cap. Sounds like KJ's coming up the lane. But we just want to let you know that we do have some new merch in the merch store. And actually, these will be available at the car show as well. But I'm willing to bet that the 4th of July, red, white, and blue, American edition will not. I bet you we'll sell out of these real quick. All right. Thanks for watching the video, and we will see you guys all very soon. Mongo's out. Oh, Jack's out too. It's no wonder I got to work on that driveway all the time, huh? Oh man, it's insane.